I'm just a common man loving you with a love that is simple and true. No fairy tales, no castle in the sky. Just you and me until the day I die. The world can keep all its silver and gold. I just want a hand that I can hold. They say money talks, maybe they are right, but it cannot keep you warm through the night. I promise to listen, I promise to stay in the ordinary magic of every single day. My treasure is here, not in the ground. It's in the quiet peace that we have found.